Proface is a smart facial recognition solution supported by temperature measurement. In modern world challenged by COVID-19 pandemic around the globe, Proface is a solution to cope up with the requirements of smart access control systems and pandemic challenges side by side. Easy to install, use and interpret, Proface can truly upgrade any working environment through its operational capabilities. Equipped with multi-phase detection capability through facial identification and accuracy of 99%, Proface can detect body temperature from 3 feet distance, making it more useful than any gadget available in the market. Easy to operate on LAN or Wi-Fi networks. A state-of-the-art system which can calculate and generate logs of time, attendance, and number of spent hours in the premises. HRM facility gadget which is capable to record attendance, payroll, email notifications, and many other customer requirements. Recommended to be used in educational institutes, corporate offices, warehouses, restaurants, and industrial sites.